Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the question of this one, LCA in a binary tree. So for this question, we want to find the lowest common ancestor of two nodes. They are in the same binary tree. So for this question, we got the root. So the root is given the node A and the node B are also given, and we need to find the lowest common ancestor and return the common ancestor. As we can see here, there is some clarification. So the input type is a tree node root, tree node A, and tree node B, and the output type is also a tree node. We can assume the node A and node B must be in the same tree, and they don't have a parent pointer. So to solve this question, I'm going to use a recursion function today. The basic idea for this question is I'm trying to find the node A and the node B, which are given from the question. If I found them, I will return it to the caller of this LCA function. If I didn't find it, I return a non-pointer to the caller. So if they have an LCA somehow in two cases, so case one, node A and node B, they are in the same path. So before I found either node one or node B, I found one. I already returned this targeting node back to the point, back to the caller, so that's fine. We just return it. So this is the lowest common ancestor. Like the example, if I have root 2 and 5, roots 2 and 5, and when I call the function and pass down of this binary tree, I found 2 first and return 2. And in other cases, they are not in the same path. Two nodes are not in the same path. They coming from the different path. Okay, so like example 4 and 7, 4 and 7, we got 4 here, we got 7 here. So when we call the function, we found 4, return 4 to the caller, and we found 7 here, we return 7 to the caller. And then eventually in the lowest common ancestor, we will have one node return to the caller and another node available return to the caller. So in this situation, we just return the caller node. Okay, so for this question, we have to reach out, we have to traverse every single node in this binary tree. And the operation time is OA, simply OA for every single node. So altogether is ON time constant for the function. And the space complexity, we're gonna need to call multiple times of this LCA function all the way down from one root node to the children and the children root node to children's children. So overall, the maximum depth of call stack is going to be O height. Okay, so we can write the code about this question. So return type is a tree node and we name it LCA. Input a tree node root, tree node A, and tree node B. So for this function, we have to find where is node A and node B. So if we found the bottom of the tree, somehow we get root equals nor, or we found one targeting node at A, or I found another targeting node B, we just return it to the caller, which means we found one. That's good. Okay, we return the current root to the caller. Okay, so I want to get two variables. One is left, which are the either valid node if found from the left path tree as a left path subtree, or it didn't found anything, return a null. So I call the same function, found A and B. So it will go from root left node and send A and B. And I'm gonna do the same call for the right children, LCA. root dot right. So two function will trace it down from two different direction. So if in the current level, I already have the left return it back and the right return it back. So in here, if the left is not NOR, which means we found something, and at the same time, right is not NOR. So we found two nodes from left side and also right side, which means the current root is the LCA. The current root is their lowest common ancestor. So we return root in here. That's one case. And in another case, we want to check if left is NOR, we return right. If right is NOR, we return left. So this covered all other cases. We have one node, we found one node, or we don't have found any node. Okay. 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 Let's recap a little bit. So in case one, we have left side available and also right side available. So we return current root as the LZA. So in another case, those two nodes are in the same path. We can only find one. We found one, we return one to the caller. So at the root level, we will have LCA as the root itself. Oh no, sorry, at the root level, we only have one node return. So the node, the lowest common ancestor will be the node itself. Cool. Thank you, everybody. Let me know if you have any question. I'll see you next time.